How to get image link from Google Drive. First of all, upload an image that you want to get link from. After uploading an image, select the image. After that, make it public so that everyone can access it. As you can see here, share button, click it here. Here you can see anyone with the link, click it here and then click on viewer. After that, we need a ID of that image so that we can embed in our website and use for other purposes as well. Click on copy link and then paste it here. As you can see, this is the ID of that image. We need to copy this ID and add. After that, this link will be available in the video description. You can just change this ID and use this URL or link for the purpose you want. Copy this and paste it here. As you can see, this is the image. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.